Hello. Today we are looking at how to install SRB2 on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will enable Linux apps on our device. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the About Chrome OS icon on the left panel. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run several commands in a terminal that will install the game. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift and V together. This command will update our Linux apps repositories. Press Enter. Now we will install Flatpak with the second command. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Now we will enable the official FlatHub repository on our Chromebook. With the last command, we will install the game. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Press Enter again. The game is now installed on your Chromebook. Let's launch it. Enjoy.